In this lesson, we will learn how to convert units. The strategy we use when we convert is to multiply by a form of 1. Problems will be given like this. The goal is to take the original ratio and convert the units so that they are the ones that are in the desired ratio. In this problem, the original ratio has units miles and hours, and the units we want are feet and hours. Since the strategy is to multiply the original ratio by a form of 1, start by rewriting that ratio. Set up parentheses to represent multiplication. Next, set up a fraction bar to represent your form of 1. Then, you must identify which unit is in the original ratio that you do not want in the new one. That unit is the one you must cancel. Since hours are in both the original ratio and the new one, we do not need to cancel hours. Miles, however, is in the original ratio, but not in the new one, so we must cancel miles. Since miles are currently in the numerator, we must put miles in the denominator to cancel them. And since we must introduce feet into the ratio to get the new ratio, we must put feet in the numerator. In order to make this a form of 1, we need to find out how many feet are in a mile. Since 5,280 feet equals 1 mile, we put 5,280 feet over 1 mile, and it will be a form of 1. Now we are multiplying fractions, and when we multiply fractions, you can cancel any numerator with any denominator. In this case, we can cancel miles. Now, multiply the numbers following the rules of multiplying fractions. In the numerator, we have 50 times 5,280, which is 264,000. The only unit left in the numerator is feet. In the denominator, there is no number listed next to the hour. Remember, whenever this is the case, we assume it to be 1 hour. In the denominator, we have 1 times 1, which equals 1. The only unit left in the denominator is hours. We have now accomplished our goal. We have converted the ratio so that the units are feet and hours.